Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing flat iron steak. If you've never had one, you're in for a treat. Very flavorful, very tender. We're doing that next, so stick around. All right, let's get started. We're going to trim this piece of meat up, take off all the silver skin, take off any excess fat, get it ready to season up. And what we're going to need for seasoning is granulated onion, granulated garlic, and some fresh ground pepper. And we're going to hit both sides with the seasoning. And once it's seasoned up, we're going to get some plastic wrap out. And we're going to wrap it up nice and tight in plastic wrap. And we'll pop that in the refrigerator until it's time to grill. Now, for the side, we're going to make a chimichurri sauce. So for that, you're going to need a couple bunches of flat leaf parsley. Italian parsley works best. Some garlic, some red pepper flakes, oregano, fresh or dry, and black pepper. So we take our parsley, we'll cut the tops off, get as many stems out as you can, then get your chef's knife out, be careful, and just chop, 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 chop. Get it as fine as you can. And once we have all that parsley chopped up, we're going to put it into a mixing bowl. Put in some good quality extra virgin olive oil. Put in all our seasonings. That's about a half a teaspoon of oregano, red pepper flake, black pepper, and a little bit less salt. Put that all in there. And right away I noticed that I needed some more olive oil. So I put some more in. Mix it up some more. Add the garlic, 3 cloves, either the paste or finely chopped. And that's the consistency we want. So once we're done mixing, we're going to put it into a container, pop the lid on, and we're going to put that in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours so all those flavors mix together nice. All right, time to grill our steak. I got the barbecue on high. We're going to put it down long ways for 4 minutes. And then after 4 minutes, we're going to put it sideways for 4 minutes. So that's going to be 8 minutes per side. And this will give us our nice grill marks that you like. And then we're going to do the other side the same. Long ways one way, sideways the next way for another 4 and 4. So it'll be a total of 16 minutes on the grill. And once it's all done, we'll take it off the grill, set it on our little plate there, and immediately we're going to brush on some good quality olive oil. And once we're done with that, we're going to take it into the house, let it rest for 5 minutes. While that's resting, please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell to keep up to date on recipes, tell your friends and family. Now the rest is over. We're going to cut against the grain on the bias. That'll give you the most tender pieces of meat. Look at that knife, just goes right through like butter. It's so tender, this piece of meat. You're going to love this kind of steak. I'm really surprised that more restaurants don't serve this. Anyways, there you go. Just plate your steak up with a little chimichurri sauce and some garlic bread that I made up, and you've got yourself a delicious flat iron steak dinner. All right, thanks for watching. Come back soon. And like I said, remember to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.